Hey guys, welcome to Riva Academy, and in this tutorial we are going to run and deploy our Flutter application on Apache web server. So I request everyone to stick to the end of this video. So let's get started. So the very first thing we need to check before starting is that our Flutter is updated to the latest version. So to do that, just run the command flutter upgrade and check in the console. Now we will start with our Visual Studio Code. I'll create a new project, Flutter application, and let us name this project as web_test. Okay, you can do it in your Android Studio as well. Okay, so just let's get started. So this is going to create a new application of Flutter. Okay, so this is done. This is the default counter application created. I'm going to run this application on iOS simulator. Okay, so now the simulator is starting, and let us run this application. It might take a couple of seconds to load. Okay, so now I'm not going to make any changes. I'm just going to show you the process of deploying this Flutter application on Apache web server. So this is running on iOS simulator. You can see the buttons are also working nicely. Okay, so now what I will do is I will also run this application on Chrome once. Okay, so if you go on to the, let me close this off. Okay, so now if you go on to the right hand side below, from here you can change it to Chrome. So I'm going to run this on Chrome once. So we will have an idea that our Flutter application is nicely running both on Chrome as well as on iOS simulator. So this might again take a couple of seconds to run first for the first time. Okay, so now you can see that our application is running on Chrome. Okay, it is running on iOS simulator as well as on the Chrome. Now our main purpose is to deploy this application on Apache web server. Now go to your www or htdocs folder. Okay, in my application, in my system, I have pointed it to this sites folder. Okay, this is similar to your www folder or htdocs folder. Here I have info.php. Let me run and show you. Okay, so here you can see the version of the Apache that is installed. Okay, so I have this Apache web server in my local host, and we are going to run our Flutter application over here. So we will run this Flutter application in the local host over here in from Apache web server, right? So I'm going to stop all the currently running processes. Okay, now I will go to the terminal, and in the terminal we have to run this command flutter build web. Okay, so let us quickly type this command, flutter build web. Okay, let me set the path again. Okay, so now type this command, flutter build web. Right, so this might take a couple of seconds. So just we have to wait for a few seconds while this command is running. Okay, so now this is done. Okay, now we have to go to the build folder. Okay, go to the source of this Flutter application. Okay, ours was web_test. Go to the build folder, and inside the build folder there is a web folder. Please remember this. Inside the build there is web folder. Okay, so typically this folder has all the structure similar to any of the web application like index file and everything. Okay, inside the build there is a web folder, so we have to copy this folder and we have to paste this folder to your htdocs or www folder. In my case this is sites. Okay, so you have to just paste this over here. Okay, if you want you can also rename this folder as per the name of your project, right? If your project is on blog you can name it as blog or whatever. So let me do this for you. Let me rename this. I'm going to rename is as say my flutter. Okay, so now we are going to run this folder from our local host. So let me type localhost my Flutter, but this will not run right now. We have to make one small change. Okay, we have to go to the index.html file. Okay, and in this file we have to give the name of the directory over here. You can go to base href. Here it is, in my case it is line number 17. Okay, here you have to give the base folder the name of the directory. So I have renamed it as my Flutter. So just point the directory over here, save this and run again localhost my Flutter, and you can see now this will load. Okay, so our application is now running in Apache web server, our Flutter application. Okay, so I hope you got the idea how to run. Let me just quickly recap for you. Okay, all the buttons is also working nicely, right? So first we have done is we have run this command flutter build web in the terminal. Okay, now we have to go to the root directory of our Flutter project. Inside the build we have to copy this web folder, right, and we have to paste this folder to our Apache's htdocs or www, or in my case it is sites. Okay, here I have pasted this and renamed this, and in the index.html file, right, here I have specified the name of the base directory, right? So I hope you got this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.